guys, welcome back to the Raylo Show.
We have not done the Rayro show in like 5 years. Since Reagan's 10, and I think the last time she did it, she was 5, and Roro was 9. But welcome back.
And before we get, what we're gonna be making
Baked pasta with our puppy in the background. Do you hear her? She doesn't. If we don't give her attention, she'll make some noise. So, all right.
But before we get started, I want you to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button. And you only have 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? So now let's get started. Okay.
So we already baked the spaghetti, and I made it al dente, so it's not fully cooked yet because we're going to be putting it in the oven. And the next thing we're going to do is mix the toppings in a bowl first. So Reagan's going to combine, and we're being lazy. We have pre-made sauce. We'll put the whole jar in the bowl carefully so it doesn't splatter all over. Okay, and we have some ricotta cheese. Nope, not that one yet. Whole thing, the ricotta cheese. And we are playing this by ear because I was going to split it into 2, but we might just do, ricotta cheese is so good. And I have about a cup of Parmesan cheese. Whole thing. And we will add to it as we need to by flavor. Now Reagan's going to mix that up so it's all combined. And then we will adjust as we need, whether or not you like it more cheesy. I actually don't have shredded mozzarella. I have sliced mozzarella.
This used to be my favorite cheese.
It's good.
But
so,
now it's not.
I don't know if we're going to chunk it and make little pieces and put it throughout, or if we should just do it on top. Let me get a cutting board for that. What do you think about that? That looks pretty good. Let's see.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
And we want the mixture within the pasta. We want it very, very wet because we don't want the pasta to dry out in the oven. So, why don't we mix all the sausage? I have a negative.
Hey!
Why don't we mix all the sausage in our mixture? I have a feeling we're going to do this twice and put the other mixture on top. So once she has all the sausage, oh, there's a fly. Once she has all the sausage mixed in, she's going to pour it on top of the pasta and mix it all in there and see if we need to add any more liquid. That looks so good. And the other thing I'm going to do first, I did decide to cut up the mozzarella. So let's evenly distribute that.
And it's not chopping.
No, you don't have to chop it. Just break up what's already cut. I like to clean up my kitchen, my mess. If there's any garbage, I like to get rid of it, clear it off. How's it looking? Chunky, but it will be melty and gooey.
Okay, now we'll put on the pasta.
Just pour the bowl onto it, because that will take forever. Oh yeah. Now, if this does get overflowed, we could put it in another pan.
Let me split it out.
So we need to get that all mixed in the pasta. Actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to take a giant bowl, pour it all in there so we can really mix in this pasta, and then we can always pour it back in. Don't kill it.
Well, I need to kill it.
And the way that it's looking right now, why do I have a feeling I'm going to be wearing this?
Wearing in this?
Wearing it.
mean,
You want me to try?
sure. I'm gonna try it.
There's no egg in there, so sometimes if I'm making lasagna, I do mix egg with the ricotta, but I didn't do that. So this is a little, I think we could add some more.
This?
Yep, I think we're gonna do a whole nother one. So let's do another jar, more regatta, and we probably can,
Regatta?
might be able to do 2 different pans of this. So
No regatta.
let's see, more regatta. Love Parmesan cheese.
I only like the American cheese.
So yummy.
Oh, I forgot to put the regatta. Look how empty. Egypt.
And this is actually good because then we can put our other mixture right on top. All that goodness out.
Okay, now it's time for sauce.
Pour it all on top. I'm gonna do the other half on this one. So half and half. Get all the goodness out of that bowl because that's all goodness right there. Then you get a spatula. What spatula is it? Oh, this goodness too. Think they look even?
Sure.
No, don't mix it. We're just going to spread this all on top. So when it cooks, it gets all bubbly and goodness. Well, at least one of us are just wearing it, not both. All right. So I have the mozzarella mixed in here, so when we cut it, it'll be nice and gooey. But we're not going to put anything on top. We're just going to leave it as is. I'm going to sprinkle a little Italian seasoning on top and put it in the oven for 350 until it's all bubbly and gooey. And we'll be back.